Hi guys, welcome back to Eurotuner. Today we have another Ferrari 458 Spider in the workshop for a very common issue that many 458 owners will eventually face: a faded LCD display. Over time, the LCD screen can become dim, faded, and difficult to read or even completely black out. Not only does it affect the appearance of the interior, but it also makes it difficult for the driver to clearly see while driving. The challenge is that Ferrari does not sell this LCD display separately. In most cases, the official solution is to replace the entire instrument cluster, which can be extremely expensive for what is actually a very small components failure. At Eurotuner, we have successfully sourced a direct replacement LCD display specifically for this issue. Instead of replacing the whole speedometer assembly, we only replace the faulty LCD screen itself. The replacement is a direct fit, one-to-one installation with no modification to the vehicle. No wire cutting, no wire tapping, and everything remains neat and factory looking. The entire process can be completed within just few hours. Once installed, the display becomes bright, clear, and easy to read again, restoring the original driving experience of the Ferrari 458 Spider. If your Ferrari is suffering from the faded, blurry, blackout, or non-functioning LCD display, feel free to contact us. We will be happy to provide a cost-effective solution with professional workmanship and attention to detail. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow Eurotuner for more Ferrari repairs, maintenance tips, and supercars upgrades. See you on the next video.